Hello, you're welcome once again to another section on Danicom platform. Today is going to be very simple and quick, or very simple and then brief. I'm going to walk you through something simple that will enable you to browse on the internet for free. Something that will enable you to browse on the internet for free. If you are new on this channel, please click on the subscription button so that anytime we post a video, you will get a notification. You know, on Danicom platform, we give you nothing, but something that will give you more educational information that will guide you or help you in everything that you are doing. You know, one of the things that is very expensive when it comes to this our area, or let's say our jurisdiction that we find ourselves in, especially Ghana or Africa, one of the things that is expensive, very expensive, is internet data. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get a certain application on your phone that will enable you to be able to be browsing on the internet for free. Every 12 hours you have to add another 12 hours, so you'll be able to browse depending on the area you are. If the network there is very good, you have no cause for alarm. You can be on the internet 24/7. And so quickly in this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to get application. Just pick your mobile phone and then I will show you where to go. Now when you pick your mobile phone, what you need to do first is, first of all, you go to the Play Store. Alright, you look for the Play Store application on your phone. You open the Play Store application, and when you open the Play Store application, you go to the search button up there and then type in this HM Tunnel. Alright, so if you type in this, you click on search, and when you click on search, as you can see on my phone, I have been using it, and so it's already there. So they will ask me to open. But if you are new and you are about to install, you see that you see an installation button there. Just click on it and install the application. So in my case, because I have the application already on my phone, I am just going to click to open. So what I will do is I will just click on the open for it to open for me. So when the application opens, they will ask you either you want to join their Telegram or later. So I'll decide to say later I will join their Telegram. This is the interface of the application. This is the interface of the application. Basically, it is called VPN. VPN, Virtual Private Network. Virtual Private Network. So what this does is that it is able to connect to other servers that makes you able, or that gives you access to internet platforms, or the web, or gives you access to the web without having data on your phone. It is not anything big deal. All that this thing do is that there are a lot of countries that their internet services are monthly based. Whether you use or you don't use, you are charged for your internet packages. So these servers are coming from some of these countries, and then they have been able to put it in a form of application for us. So if you are fortunate and you get one that is very good, then at the end of the day, it's like you are in their country and then you are enjoying the same benefit with them. That is why it's called Virtual Private Network, VPN, Virtual Private Network. So it makes you feel like you are also in their country. Alright, so it's not anything that you should be worried about. So now when you open the application, what you are going to look out for right now is that you click on this icon here. You can see that we have a lot of countries. Most of these countries, their internet packages are monthly based or sometimes quarterly based. You use the internet for free, then quarterly or 3 months they ask you to pay your bills, like we have been paying ECG or water bills and other utilities in Ghana. Okay, so most of these countries, this is how they operate. So now we are going through this, and then we will locate what we call MTN free new. So you look for MTN free new, you scroll, go through, take your time, just take your time and go through. You see that from the app there, you see this particular network that says MTN free new. So I'll just be going through with you, you can see Ghana MTN free new. Okay, not this one. So you just go through. It's not this one. So you just be scrolling. Take your time. It's something that, I mean, there are many, so you have to take your time and then so as you can see, it's here, MTN free new Ghana. Then I'll select this one. So when you select it, what you do next is you just click on the start, you wait for it, you see a key up there. As soon as the key, I mean, comes up, it means you are connected. But even where you clicked to say start, you see that it will show green, that connected. All right, when it shows green, meaning you are connected, whether you have data or you don't have data, you will be able to browse the internet for free. All right, but at least you should have some small amount of data to be able to make the thing browse very fast. This application is one of the applications I use. You can even use it to go to YouTube and other places. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and then subscribe, share, and also, I mean, educate somebody on Danicom.